Today I have a digital kitchen scale that uses the 3-volt 2032 coin cell, and it's very accurate. We use it a lot. Problem is, this battery is way too small and it runs out of juice pretty often, and I'm tired of having to replace the batteries when we need it the most. So today I'm going to hack into this unit and replace a coin cell battery with one of these rechargeable lithium-ion battery. They are a lot bigger, so they last a lot longer, and they are rechargeable, so I will never have to spend money on these coin cell batteries ever again. Here's the back of the unit. This is where the coin cell battery goes. There are 2 screws on the bottom, so you remove the 2 screws and you can take the top part of the scale off. So here's inside the scale. This is where the battery goes, and this is where the power goes inside the unit, and that's the cell for the scale, and that's just the electronics. So the main part of the scale is right here. The reason why I can replace this 3-volt coin cell with one of these is because for this one, it's not really 3 volts when it's new. Here's a new package of a new coin cell, and this one here I just removed from the package. It's brand new, and let me show you that the voltage is actually about 3.5 volts when it's new. It's not really 3 volts. In fact, when it reaches 3 volts, that's when it's almost dead. And for these lithium-ion batteries here, when they're fully charged, they're about 4.2 volts. But for this application, I only charge them up to 4 volts. So the difference is only about half volts. It's not a lot, and it should still work. So let me demonstrate. I have this battery hooked up to the battery terminals here, and right now it is 3.79 volts, and I can turn it on and let's see if it works. There we go, it's working. So next step, I'm going to try and see which one of these batteries will fit in here. I have cut out a little bit of plastic here, and just enough to fit in the 18650 cell here. It fit here just fine. Looking from this angle, it's a little bit too tight. It's sticking up a little bit, and if I put the cover on, and it looks like it's blocking the cover. So 18650 does not fit. It looks like a bit too thick. So I have this battery here, which is about half the thickness. It should fit in here just fine. In case you're wondering what this is, it's actually a battery from a very old BlackBerry cell phone. This is probably about 15 to 20 years old. Amazingly, it's still working just fine. The positive terminal is actually in the case, the entire outer casing of the battery. The negative terminal is right on top. I'm gonna have to cut out the plastic again to fit the new battery in, and cutting this is very simple. Just cut and then bend. It will come out just like that. Alright, so I've got the battery in, and I just used double-sided tape and tape it to the bottom, and it's pretty tight. It's not going anywhere. I got a wire solder onto the battery terminal. I also soldered an XT30 on the back of the unit here. The reason why I use XT30 and not 60 because of the size. And only the XT30 would fit in here just fine, and I can still close the plastic cover like that. The reason why I make the XT30 to the outside is because after I put the top cover on, and every time I need to charge the battery, I need to remove the top cover, and that's very inconvenient. And with this connector, I only have to remove this cover, and I can just plug in right in here using my TP456 board or any lithium-ion battery charger, and I can just charge the battery directly. Now I just need to put the top cover back on and put the 2 screws on the bottom, and that should be it. And here we go. Looks like new. You wouldn't even know anything has ever been done on it. Let's turn it on. it's working. So there you have it, how to upgrade from a 3-volt 2032 coin cell to a lithium ion battery. And that's all I have for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.